Welcome to part 4 of Step-by-Step House Plan. And what I'm going to do in this video is start working with some of these spaces that I have that I've divided up here. And I know I need some storage space in these bedrooms, so that's what I'm going to knock out next. Make sure I have storage space. Bathrooms as well needs a little storage space. Now I'm not going to go as far as going into the casework just yet, or your cabinetry. I'm mainly going to work with closets and get my spaces more or less defined in more detail. So I'm going to put some closets. These rooms need closets, and then we'll probably share some closet space with this bathroom right here. I am going to offset again, and this time I'm going to offset 2.5 feet. Okay, and this is for this bedroom. I will build a closet space right in here. Now, of course, I want to see what kind of space I am working with. What are the dimensions? I got 7.5. I probably don't need all of that for that bedroom. I could use it, but I don't need all of it. So I could probably share some of that bathroom, or the bathroom can share some of that closet space. And now I want to offset again, but just the thickness of my wall, 4.5 feet. Or no, inches. Yeah, inches. Okay, and it's good to do this as you go, so you kind of keep track of the space you have and you don't run out of space. Now I'm going to take a look at the bathroom. What are my dimensions in the bathroom now? 8 feet that way, which is good. And 7 feet 7 inches, about 7.5 feet that way. That's great because now I have space I can work with there. And what I'm needing is also some more storage space, and I'm also going to need a place to put the bathtub, which the standard bathtub's about 5 feet long. And then of course I'll have to put the water closet or the toilet and the lavatory or the sink, vanity sink, or just a pedestal sink, or whatever I have room for. Okay, so I'm here. I'm debating how I can do this closet space with this room up here, and I might be sharing some more closet space over here. So I'm going to offset. Another 2.5 feet over here. Alright, so there's another closet wall, and then I'm going to offset again just the 4.5 inches. Alright, so it's taking up some of that space in that master bathroom. Now let me see what I've got to work with in the master bathroom. Because it's a master bathroom, I might want a little bit more space in there. I got 9.5 in that direction, and I've got 8 in this direction. That's pretty good. That'll do. All right, and that'll both give me storage space and somewhere to put also maybe a little larger tub and a vanity with another toilet. Of course, got to have the toilet. But that's where we're at here. So I've divided up that space, and as I'm thinking about it, these guys over here are going to need some closet space as well. So how much space, again, are we working with? Let's see. They're probably going to be small closets because this isn't a great big house. Or, better yet, I've got some space down here I can work with. So let's kind of build a his and her closet right here on this wall. So I am going to offset, and let's see, I'm debating if I should make this sort of a walk-in situation and what have you. I think maybe I will. I'm going to offset. I'm going to see what 5 feet looks like. Okay, that's 5 feet. All right. All right, let's see, offset again to 4.5 inches to get the wall thickness. I want to move it to the inside. All right, so now I'm adding basically another grid here. So I want to see what kind of space I have available. Looks like this can be my living room, this could be my kitchen / dining room, and I believe that is going to be just fine. Got 6 feet there. I can go on down to here. 13. Okay, yeah, so I've got plenty of space to work with there. I can make this a walk-in type closet. Now I am, just so I will remember, I'm going to get rid of those lines. Okay, I'm going to fill up this space, but I'm going to fill it up with more storage and more utility space, because I have to have a place to put things like water heaters and air handlers. Okay, so all I need is 36 inches for that as far as depth, and probably about 4 feet wide. And I'm going to offset this again, 4.5 inches. And then we're going to do some more trimming. And this just keeps it in perspective for me, so I don't forget what all these lines are for. All right. So, okay, so this will be great. This, I could put my water heater and my utility space and some closet space. And all I really need, and to keep from junking up my drawing too much, this line I'm just going to draw. I'm going to pull it out 36 inches. Now the way I do that, okay, I click on the line tool and I grab this corner, and then I start moving off to the left, and then I'm going to type 36 inches. That way my line will start at 36 inches. If you don't do that, it'll want to start on that snapping point and not give you anything else. So why am I making that 36 inches? Because that is going to be the hallway that is going to get me into this master bedroom. And I might do some other adjusting as well. Make my wall thickness here again. Oops, I didn't do that right or something. Okay, so I'll offset that. Trim. Okay, so I'm trimming that out, and I lost one of my lines. That's okay, I can make it again. Alright, so this is going to be like a hallway, giving me access to this bedroom. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to work with this. We've got closet here, and how am I going to work with that space? Because they got to be able to get into the room. Am I going to have them kind of zigzag through here, or just straight here and then zig to the right? That's something I have to decide, and I'll decide that shortly. But for right now, go ahead and make all these other adjustments that I have made with the closet space. This closet space over here as well, and then this utility / closet space right here. All right, so work with that. Have any questions, just let me know.